This is the best camping trip ever.
These Borse Diana sleeping bags are so comfortable.
And it's so comfortable and cozy. Perfect for a night under the stars.
Look at these new arrivals.
Yes.
I love the designs here.
Yeah.
This dress is absolutely stunning.
I think this is the best one. I'll totally leave. I totally agree.
This is a good one.
I think so too.
Look at this one. Wow.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
ये वाला देखो, ये बच्चों के लिए अच्छा रहेगा।
हाँ, और इसका रंग भी कितना प्यारा है।
These ones are made for really cold weather. See the extra padding?
Wow, this one is so soft.
Can I try it too?
These sleeping bags are amazing. I know, right? This blue one feels so soft. And look at the specs on this red one.
These are so cute.
I know, right?
I love this one.
These sleeping bags are amazing.
Yes.
And you can find them all on the Borse Diana website.